to Sweetie Love Kitchen. On the menu today, I'm going to do some carrot rice for you. Yay! Yes, you heard right, carrot rice. So as you can see, I have 16 ounce of baby carrots that come in that small sachet packs. So I have, it's a 16 ounce pack. I washed it and it's organic as well. I washed it and I blended it with 5 cups of water. And I just did it. I did it before the video, so to save on time. And over there we have our white rice. It's a long grain white rice. I already washed it just for the sake of the video because I don't want this video to get too long and bored and all drawn out because you guys are not gonna watch it. So I'm trying to keep it short and precise. So we have 4 cups of white rice. We have half a pumpkin. We have 4 cups of mixed vegetables. And then we have our seasoning, which consists of thyme, scallion, garlic, onion, and a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. I have 1 pack of coconut milk, that's a powder form, and I have my mixtures of spice and herbs over there. Everything that I use in this video will be listed in the description box down below. So guess what? Let's get cooking. Alright, so now that we have our pot ready, our oil, as you can see, I have some olive oil that I pour in it. You don't have to use a little, you can just drizzle a little over it. To each his own, how much you want to use. I'm going to remove my pepper from here because I don't want it yet. So now I'm going to put in my mixture of seasoning. And we're just going to saute this for a minute or two. Alright, so now our seasoning and spicing and everything is cooked and combined. And now I'm going to add the rice. And beautiful. As you can see, the water from the liquid from the rice, it's evaporating out, as you can see. So I'm just going to take it to a simmer now. I'm going to put my flame on 2 and let it stay there and do its thing. Oh, it's looking good. Oh my goodness. And you know that I made brain freeze. I made a, oh my goodness, what am I trying to say? I make a spinach seasoned rice. So check that video out as well. I made, and it was so good. Tongue twisted. Why can't I talk? Sweet girl. So I made a spinach mixed vegetable rice, and it was so good. I had it by itself with just some avocado. So this is so good. So for those who are vegetarian, vegan, just have it by itself with some avocado, and voila, you have a meal by itself. So I'm just going to cover it. I'm going to turn on my flame and let it do its thing. There you have it. Oh my goodness, look at it. So that's our carrot mixed vegetable rice. Look at it, it's so pretty. Look at the colors. So you have the mixed vegetable, and I just garnish it with some carrot, as you can see. Beautiful. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. press that notification bell so whenever I upload a wonderful video like this one, you'll be first to be notified. Share, comment, and subscribe. Oh my goodness, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. Okay, so this is your girl Sweetie Love New York signing out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.